Alright, today I have a Nissan Rogue and I'm going to show you how to start the vehicle when your key fob battery is dead. Okay, so my key fob battery is dead. I'm going to show you how to start this Nissan Rogue if you ever come into this issue. Alright, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so I'm inside of the Nissan Rogue. In order to turn on the vehicle with a dead key fob battery, what you're going to do is you're going to take the key fob and you're going to bring it close to where the start stop engine button is. It's right down here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it close to it, and then I'm going to put my foot on the brake. Put my foot on the brake, and I'm going to press this, and the vehicle turns on just like that. It has a mechanism within it to where you don't need a battery if you bring it close up to this to start and stop the engine. Now, to stop the engine, you don't need to have the key fob right there. All you need to simply do is make sure the vehicle's in park, come right here, press this button, and the vehicle stops just like that. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.